Episode 1, the Fueling Series. Food is information, not preference. Your body does not respond to food as pleasure. It responds to food as information. Every bite you take sends a signal. That signal tells your nervous system how safe you are, how much energy is available, which hormones to release, and whether to build, store, repair, or defend. This is not opinion. This is physiology. Most people believe they eat based on taste, culture, or habit. In reality, they are responding to biochemical instructions that shape appetite, mood, energy, inflammation, and behavior, long before conscious choice enters the picture. Food is not neutral, it is instructional. Macronutrients are not calories, they are hormonal commands. Glucose tells the body one story, fat tells another, protein tells another still. And when those signals are mixed, the body does not compromise. It becomes confused. Confusion looks like hunger without need, cravings without nourishment, energy spikes followed by crashes, inflammation without injury, weight gain without excess, and a constant sense of fighting your own body. This is not a character flaw. It is not lack of discipline. It is not weakness. It is the predictable outcome of giving a highly intelligent system contradictory information. Your body is doing exactly what it is told. Modern food is engineered to deliver rapid glucose signals, dopamine reinforcement, and emotional comfort, while stripping away the nutritional clarity your physiology evolved to depend on. This creates dependence, not because people are weak, but because the signal is addictive. When people attempt to change their diet and feel anxious, shaky, irritable, or unwell, they interpret that as failure. It is not failure, it is withdrawal. And withdrawal does not mean something is wrong. It means something is changing. The purpose of this series is not to tell you what to eat. It is to show you how your body interprets what you eat, why certain signals create chaos, and why clarity, not moderation, is the prerequisite for adaptation. Once you understand that food is information, the rest becomes obvious. In episode 2 of the Fueling Series, we will examine the glucose trap, why fast fuel hijacks the nervous system, and how a socially accepted addiction became the default state of modern life.